Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes GLK. In this video I'll show you how much luggage will fit in the trunk. As you can see right here, we've got two big size luggages. Inside of them there are more luggages. And now we are going to fit them in the trunk. As you can see, the trunk is quite big, so let's try to put the luggages laying like this. I think both luggages will fit. As you can see, both luggages fit perfectly like this. Now let's try to put them on the side. Unfortunately, we can't fit them right here, but if you detach this part, both luggages will fit like this, and they will leave more room for next luggages. And that's basically it. As you can see, this trunk has a lot capacity for luggage. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.